Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best weather application for your Android device. Let's start. No matter where you are, the weather application can provide you with accurate and detailed weather forecast information, including hourly, daily, and weekly weather forecast. First, open Play Store. Then search Local Weather Forecast. Download and install this application. After that, open the application. Select I understand. Then choose while using the app. And select allow. After that, set the location access to allow all the time. Then go back. In this step, choose your unit. For example, I want to change the temperature unit to centigrade. After selecting your unit, tap on OK. As you can see, the top left shows us the temperature. You can see the temperature for the next 15 days. Really nice. Or even much more sophisticated capabilities. Let me show you something cool. Back to your home screen again. Then tap and long hold the home screen to access the widgets. After that, select weather icon here. Finally, choose any widget you like and tap on add. Also, you have option to enlarge this widget. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions or would like me to clarify anything else, please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.